Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to color grade in Premiere Pro. First thing you will need to do is click on your clip and go over to Lumetri Color right here. If you don't see it right here, click on this arrow and here it should appear. Click on Lumetri Color. Now you should see all of these panels. First of all, click on Basic Correction. Here you can adjust your white balance and saturation. So let's say I want it to be a little bit more warmer, so I will drag this slider to the right, and I want it to be a little bit more greeny, so I drag this to the left. Now I can increase or decrease the saturation by dragging this slider and then add some contrast under light drop down. After I added some contrast, I can lower my shadows and lower my whites so it's not so bright. Here you can see your before and after. Toggle bypass on or off. So click it before, after. If you don't like your color grade, you can always go down and go over to creative to play with it a little bit more. So you can put on some of these presets on, or of course you can choose your custom one if you have. So let's say I will choose this monochrome and I will add the intensity and then fade this film a little bit. This, and make it a little bit blurry, and all the way down. When I go here, I can find curves and I can play with it. So this basically represents the blacks and the highlights. So when I drag this up, it's brighter. When I drag this down, it's darker. So I can make it a little bit darker. And as you can see, before and after. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.